program head of fencing what you call this, Philippine Amateur Fencing Association. I'm sorry, I was former director also of physical education. So, ang buhay ko nasa sports talaga, no? In fact, together with me, even my wife, where is she? Joanna, where are you? Ayun. Former athlete din, shooter din yan, no? We were athletes noong mga bandang late 1980s to mid-1990s. So, na-transition kami between Tintong Alay and the establishment of the Philippine Sports Commission. No? So, I don't know, yung invitation to speak in front of you is a fortunate event of serendipity, no? Because when Jesse and Andrick approached me yesterday, right? A few minutes before lunch, nag-usap kami. Then yung usap namin medyo tumagal, naiwan na ako for lunch, pero I didn't really mind because I saw the opportunity to actually tell you about PSC, no? Kasi parang nakita ko na importante to establish a link between PSC and the athletes as well. Because kung tutusin, kayo ang aming customer eh. Parang gano'n, di ba? So yung experience nyo, your customer experience, kailangan namin malaman yon para makagawa ng mga polisiya at mga programa para sa ikabubuti ninyo. Okay, so I read a little bit about the Athletes Commission and nakita ko yung ambition na to be a consultative and advisory council for the elite athletes, no? Then, if I remember right, you plan to strengthen the linkage between the POC and the athletes, no? Ang hiling ko na sana maisama kami doon to strengthen the linkage between POC, PSC, and the athletes. Napaka-importante yun, no? So just to give you a background, no, the PSC